Okay, so guys, sorry for background noise. That's my grandma and grandpa. So yeah, this little fella, the dog that I'm dog sitting for, actually not Friday, actually Sunday. Basically, this poor thing, like, basically got kidnapped, but the mother, the lady that owns her, is going out of town, so you gotta take care of her. She's like so shaky. I mean, I get it that she's nervous, but like, poor thing. It's like 4 years old. Her friend, dog that they lived together, he died. They had to put him down. He was like 14. Very old, very old. But poor thing. It's okay. You're gonna see your mama soon, okay? Poor thing. Look at her. Look at her. Just shake. Like, what's the matter? What's the matter? Is everything okay? Just relax, alright? Well, hopefully she gets better, because I don't want her to be freaked out. It's only the first day she's been here. She loves to hide. Her big house, the lady that owns her has a big house. So she like runs away, but like in the area of their land. Alright, so that's it. Just, why are you shaking so much? Look at this. So freaking weird. It's okay. It's a new home for now, okay? But yeah, that's it. So, peace.